Hey, what's up, guys? We're doing a review today on this 4-gallon backpack sprayer that you can get at your local Harbor Freight. Here's the extra attachments it comes with, and extra parts also. I guess they plan on it breaking. But you got a double wide sprayer, single sprayer, and then a almost like a water shower sprayer, like what comes on your garden hose. Then it comes with extra parts, O-rings and cotter pins for the sprayer here. It also comes with, right here, a removable screen or filter. I guess if you're pouring anything in there that might be contaminated other than liquid, I guess. Kind of silly. I've filled mine up with just a shy of 3 gallons, about 2.5. It's got real easy right here on the sides indicators for marking, and it is reversible, meaning you can undo the straps and feed them around to the other side of the sprayer, depending on if you're right-handed or left-handed. Me, I've got it set up so I can have the sprayer in my right hand and the pump handle in my left. Also, it comes with this little quick release right here on the top for your handle, so it will swing down, and when it swings down it automatically pumps, obviously. It comes with new cotter pins, everything brand new with extra attachments. Like I said, right up here at the top it has the little lock piece that snaps onto this hose. There we go. And then you pull the handle up to lock it in place. And then your spray handle, the nozzle, for when you're done, even though it's got a fairly long cord here. The cord's probably 4 foot. I'm not sure exactly. They want you to store it up in the air like this and attach it like that, but because your hose is way too long, so it'd be sitting on the ground, you know, fumbling. Well, yeah, pretty self-explanatory. All right, well, let's see if these straps are as good as they appear. They're nice and padded. Let me set this down real quick, and we're gonna put it on and see how it does as far as fitment. And get the sprayer ready here. 1 second, guys. I'll be right back with you. Alright, guys, I'm back here with you. Let's see. Got it on here. As you can see, goes on just like a backpack. You know, and it is adjustable. And I got the handle here. If I can get it to swing down, 1 second. Alright, got the handle here for the pumper. You just pump it up until it builds up pressure to where you can't pump anymore. Well, that didn't take a minute at all. Let's see how this sprayer works. Sprayer's pretty good. Pretty good. Just doing it right on the edge of my property line here on my driveway. Got a long driveway. A little over 100 foot on both sides, so we got a while to go. Give us a couple pumps. And what was that?